Hello everyone, and welcome back to Quick English Talk, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hi Sarah. Hello everyone. It's great to be here again. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Mark. I'm excited for today's lesson. What about you?
I'm feeling awesome. I'm always ready to talk about English. I really enjoy this show.
Me too, and to all our listeners, thank you for joining us. If you're new, please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and don't forget to like this video. It really helps us.
And share it with your friends and family.
Exactly. The more people learn, the better.
So Mark, are you ready for today's topic?
Yes, I'm ready. What are we learning today?
Today's topic is phrasal verbs.
Oh, phrasal verbs. They sound a bit difficult. Are they hard?
Not at all. They may sound tricky, but they are actually easy and very common. We use them every day.
That's good to hear. So, what is a phrasal verb?
A phrasal verb is a verb plus a small word. They work together like a team.
A team. I like that idea.
For example, go plus on or put plus on together. They have a special meaning.
Oh, I understand. The two words make a new meaning.
Exactly. Let's start with an easy one.
Sure.
Imagine I'm at your door. Knock, knock.
Who is it?
It's Sarah.
Please come in.
Perfect. Come in is our first phrasal verb. It means to enter a place.
That's easy. Come in means enter.
Yes, it's polite and friendly.
I like that. Okay, now you are inside. What next?
Hello, Mark. Please sit down.
Sit down. I know this. It means to take a seat.
Correct. Very common in daily life.
And the opposite of sit down is stand up, right?
Yes, great job.
So, I sit down when I'm tired, and I stand up when I need to move.
Exactly. These are opposites, so they are easy to remember together.
Nice. What's next?
Oh look, my keys are on the floor. Can you help me?
Sure. I will pick up your keys.
Great. Pick up means to lift something from a lower place.
Like picking up a bag or a phone.
Yes, or even picking up a child from school.
Oh, so it can have different meanings.
That's right, but the idea is similar. You go and get something.
Got it. Now I have your keys. What should I do?
Please put them down on the table.
Put down is the opposite of pick up.
Exactly, you pick up something, then you put it down.
Easy pair to remember.
Yes, learning in pairs helps a lot.
What's the next example?
I have a small puppy. He is very cute.
Oh, I love puppies.
I need to look after my puppy.
What does look after mean?
It means to take care of someone or something.
Like taking care of a baby or a plant.
Exactly. You give food, water, and attention.
I understand. I also look after my car. I clean it and maintain it.
That's a perfect example.
Great. What's next?
Sometimes learning something new is hard.
Yes, like learning English.
In those moments, don't give up.
Give up means to stop trying, right?
Yes, it means to quit.
So, we should never give up.
Exactly. Keep trying and you will improve.
I like that message.
Now let's go shopping.
Okay.
You see a nice shirt.
Yes, I like it, but I need to try it on.
Perfect. Try on means to wear something to see if it fits.
Like clothes, shoes, or hats.
Yes, exactly.
That's very useful for shopping.
Definitely. Now let's review.
Okay, first, come in means enter.
Good. Next.
Sit down and stand up are opposites.
Correct.
Pick up and put down are also opposites.
Yes.
Look after means take care of something.
Perfect.
Give up means stop trying, but we should not do that.
Exactly.
And try on means to test clothes before buying.
Wonderful. You remembered everything.
That was easier than I thought.
Yes, the best way to learn is with Dot's simple examples and stories.
I agree. It helps me remember better.
And don't be afraid of phrasal verbs. They are very useful.
I will listen for them in movies and songs.
That's a great idea.
This lesson was really helpful.
I'm glad you liked it.
I think it's time to say goodbye.
Yes, time goes fast when we are having fun.
Thank you everyone for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe to Quick English Talk, like this video, and share it.
And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite phrasal verb?
Or write your own sentence using one.
We love reading your comments.
Keep practicing, don't give up, and enjoy learning English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, take care.